कोई भी एक सिनेरियो देख लो जो डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन का है. नाउ आई हैव टू हैव दिस डिफिकल्ट, आई कैन कॉम्प्रिहेंड कि ये ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. आई नीड टू स्पीक माई माइंड बिकॉज नथिंग विल चेंज.
Yeah.
आई एम गोइंग टू लूज आउट एंड एवरी टाइम आई एम ऑलरेडी लूजिंग आउट.
Yeah.
तो आप यू विल प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ, यू विल से अच्छा ज्यादा थिंक ऑफ द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो.
Okay.
राइट, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा. माई बॉस विल नॉट इनवाइट
Fire me.
फायर मी. फीडबैक ऐसा मिल जाएगा कि शी इज वेरी एरोगेंट,
Hmm.
यू नो, ये अपने आप को समझती पता नहीं क्या है, आज तक तो इसकी जुबान नहीं थी, आज सडनली इसकी जुबान आ गई. ऐसा ही होगा ना. अगर आपने मदर इन लॉ भी कहा तो ऐसा ही कुछ इसी शेप या फॉर्म में आएगा.
बिल्कुल.
और पीपल विल गिव यू सम, यू नो, स्नाइड रिमार्क्स, राइट, थोड़ा सरकास्टिक हो जाएंगे, या आपको वो किसी और से बात करेंगे आपके बारे में ऐसे, राइट, या आपसे साइलेंट हो जाएंगे, राइट. यही चीजें हैं वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, इससे ज्यादा और कुछ नहीं होगा,
Right.
राइट. Now, once you have that worst case scenario in your mind, it gives you a little bit of confidence
Yeah.
and courage, right? Now, I always tell people who, depending on where you are in that, you know, I am not good enough or people pleasing spectrum, please practice for a difficult conversation first.
Okay.
Stand in front of a mirror,
Okay.
look at yourself,
Okay.
right? How are you sounding? आजकल तो हर एक के पास एक मोबाइल फोन है,
Yes.
राइट. रिकॉर्ड योरसेल्फ, you see how you are sounding. Now compare, if you're triggered in that moment, probably it will sound a lot worse.
And it will have a lot worse reaction.
It will, from you, from your body, right?
So we have to sound calm and compassionate, but we
Absolutely.
have to say the same thing
Correct.
that we really want to say.
And that is where, again, I'm reiterating, your feminine powers come in very, very handy. Because one, I always feel, if we talk about difficult conversation, how do you recognize that a conversation is difficult, right? 3 things required.
Okay.
Very easy. I believe in giving very practical things. Number 1, you and the other person or the other people have differing views on the
Okay.
same thing. Very easy.
We're not agreeing on the
You're
same
not
thing.
agreeing on the same thing, right? That is point number 1. Point number 2 is there will be emotions involved.
Yeah.
आपका भी ट्रिगर है, उनका भी ट्रिगर होगा.
Yeah.
एंड हो सकता है बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस इन्वॉल्व हो. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट.
Yeah.
ठीक है. और तीसरी चीज ये है कि द स्टेक्स आर हाई,
Yeah.
राइट. क्योंकि अगर आपने नहीं बोला और आप चुप रहे तो आप वापस उसी नेगेटिव स्पाइरल में जाएंगे.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना. एंड हो सकता है अगर आप बोलेंगे तो दूसरे का स्पाइरल शुरू हो जाए आपके
Right.
प्रति, राइट.
Right.
तो ये 3 चीजें हैं बस.
Right.
अब आपने सिर्फ देखना है कि ये 3 चीजों के वन ऑन वन मैंने कैसे डील करना है, राइट. डिफरिंग व्यूज हैं, आप सिर्फ अपना व्यू एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो. दूसरे का व्यू कैसा है, यू हैव नो कंट्रोल ओवर इट, क्योंकि वो उनकी कंडीशनिंग्स है, वो उनका बिलीफ सिस्टम है, उनका वैल्यू सिस्टम है, उनकी आपके साथ इक्वेशन है,
Right.
हिस्टोरिकल डाटा है उनके पास, राइट. वट एवर इट इज, राइट. सो स्पीक योर माइंड, राइट. सेकेंड थिंग, when it comes to emotions, please bring empathy into it, right. With empathy I mean, before you express your thought, right, you have to acknowledge the other person.
People's emotions.
So you can start off, you can lay the agenda of this conversation like this, right. Let's say you can, maybe it's a person in authority,
Yeah.
right, because that becomes even more difficult. It's much easier when a person is on the same level. You can start off by saying, you know, we are not seeing eye to eye on this.
Yeah.
आपका और मेरा देखने का तरीका अलग है, पर मुझे लगता है आप में और मेरे में कॉमन थ्रेड भी है. इनवेरिएबली होगा. अगर फैमिली सिचुएशन है, इट्स हार्मनी इन द फैमिली. नोबडी लाइक्स डिस्कॉर्ड ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस, राइट. अगर वर्क सिचुएशंस है तो यू आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स कॉमन गोल्स, राइट. एवरी टीम विल बी वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स समथिंग कॉमन, राइट. एंड इफ ही इज और शी इज योर बॉस, अगेन द सेम थिंग विल अप्लाई, राइट. तो वहां से शुरू करें. And you can also start off, I have seen some masterful people do even things like already preempt कि शायद अब मैं जो कह रही हूँ या कहने वाली हूँ, you will not like it.
Okay. So we have prepared the person.
You have prepared the person. So थोड़ा cushioning हो जाता है वो impact का,
Yeah.
right? And you can say, I know maybe मेरे को ये जल्दी कहना चाहिए था, पर मेरा ना एक, you know, बर्दाश्त से थोड़ा, you know, I thought कि it is better I voice it to you. It is better I get it out of my system.
Right.
और आपको भी शायद पता नहीं है कि this is what I am feeling about.
Right.
Right? So empathy के साथ आपने अपनी एक boundary describe कर दी और आपने very assertively, not aggressively, नॉट एग्रेसिव पैसिवली, पर आपने अपनी वो बोलनी है, नीड्स एक्सप्रेस करनी है. एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल यहाँ पे आता है तमन्ना, एंड दैट स्किल इज, आर यू एबल टू रीड द अदर पर्सन इन दैट मोमेंट. You pay attention to their responses to what you are saying, right? आपकी tone of voice क्या है, आपकी body language क्या है, आपका voice का decibel क्या है, right? How is it impacting the other person, right? And let's say there is an eruption from that end because they didn't expect this. तो आप कह सकते हो, I know you're upset with me, right? And I accept that. Do not fight it. That is not the moment to fight the other person's trigger. I think this is what we need to understand. That is a moment to acknowledge your triggers as well as the other person's triggers, right? जब आप ये multiple times करोगे, right? क्योंकि crucial conversation invariably एक sitting में नहीं resolve होता unless we have a deadline over our head. Then we don't have a choice. But आपको multiple conversation, because you have to give the other person also time to absorb. आपने क्या बोला है, what is the impact of that, what could be the repercussions of that, right? So, but then you might be standing alone. So the ability to, one, read the room, read the other person, read the situation as you're speaking to this person, maintain your calm and composure, be very clear, don't get distracted by other things, especially if there is emotions being thrown at you, right? And then say, okay, maybe you need a little time to absorb this, and I also need time to absorb this. Can we pick it up maybe at a later stage where we both have had some time to think about it, right? So what I'm doing in this conversation, agar aap dekho, so I am trying to take my power back. I am not influencing the other person. My language will not be, I am right, you're wrong. But my language is, this is how I feel. And I know this is how you're feeling, right?
Right.
Can we at least acknowledge each other there?
Right.
Right? And then see how can we work together to resolve this.
Right.
And that's where you might want to have multiple conversations on it.
Okay.
Another thing, apart from these two things, is, can you build some allies?
Can you build some
allies?
Okay.
You know, जैसे आपकी तरफ का कोई बोल सकता है, आपका कोई sponsor हो सकता है, right? Because lot of women tell me कि मैम क्या होता है कि if we pick this up with the boss, or we pick it up with somebody at home, so I am the only person standing. Right? That courage, you need to be the only person standing, right? That is the inner journey that you have to cover, inner work that you have to do. But also, can you build at least something in your favor? इस बात पे तो हम दोनों मानते हैं ना कि this is the common goal for both of us.
Yes.
Disharmony never did any family unit or any team unit any good. Right? Can we agree on that? Okay, we both are working towards that same goal.
Right.
I also don't like to fight. I also don't like to use harsh language. I also would like to work in peace. Right? Now, that is something that the other person will not deny. Right? And then you say, can we work towards resolving this? In that interim period, हो सकता है कि you are the only one standing. You might hear from other people. They might say, आज तुमने अच्छा नहीं किया, तुमने बोल दिया, कैसे बोल दिया, right? The other person has not taken it very well. Stand by it. Right? Again, you don't have to get aggressive about it. You just stand by it. Because you're very clear in your mind that this has to be resolved with something a little bit different.
And I think it takes a lot of work to not get aggressive in such situations.
Yes.
Because most of the times, we would have our own emotions. We would react to the things emotionally.
Yes.
Because we're also very involved in the process कि मुझे कैसा फील होता है, तो उसमें हमारे इमोशंस कैसे ना आए?
देखो तमन्ना, वही बात है ना, आपने इतनी देर की वो इमोशन सप्रेस की हुई है, एटलीस्ट पब्लिकली.
Yes.
राइट? आपने पब्लिकली वो सप्रेस की हुई है. आप अकेले में शायद रोते भी हो, शायद अपने आप से भी गुस्सा होते हो, खुद पे भी आता है वो गुस्सा, राइट? लेकिन now you are moving into a different form altogether, right? So आपके podcast, you know, we are talking about transformation also somewhere as an undercurrent.
Exactly.
So what is transformation? Transformation, please understand, means transform.
Yeah.
The form needs to change.
Oh, beautiful.
Right?